welcome back. Yeah, I decided to do a video. Not just a video, I'm starting a series today on the channel. What is the series, you may be asking? The series is Discord bot coding, actually, in JavaScript. So in this video I'm going to take you through how to set up your bot, do the first command, and actually get it online and into a server. But yeah, also there's a link down in the description to the Discord server. You should go join that. If you have any questions or anything that needs answering, just nip down there, join server. We have alright, okay, so we're gonna start. So when you first get into to first start off your bot, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to head over to Discord developers, discord.com/developers. I'll leave the link down in the description. All links to this video will be down in the description. Then once you're on this page, make sure you're signed in and all that. Then just click new application, give your new application a name. I'm just going to call it effortless bot. Let's create this new application. Now here is the interface. This is going to allow you to change icon, change your name, description, and just a load of other stuff, but we'll get into that in another video. This video I'm just going to show you how to get it up and running. Then from here you're going to want to go over to this bot tab over here, click on it and then add bot. Yes, do it. Now what this is going to do, it's going to allow us to sign in, and the bot's going to be able to add it to a guild. A guild is just a server. Right, so here we are on the desktop. I'm going to just create a new folder. This folder's just call it anything you want. I'm just gonna call it effortless bot, like that. Then what we can do is open your IDE of choice. So for me, I'm using Visual Studio Code. Then what I'm gonna do? Where is that file? Okay. Then what? Oh, okay. Then what I'm gonna do is just drag it on here. Then that should open up the file. Right, okay, we're in VS Code now. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to create a file, so just come up here to this little icon, new file, then you want to call it index.js, then just create a new one. Let's zoom in for you here. There we go, that's a little bit better. Then from this point what you're going to want to do is, alright, so here we are back at the back in the browser. Then what we're going to do is we're going to want to go to discord.js.org. This is going to give us our starting code for the bot. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to head over here, like I say, all links are in the description. Just copy all this, Control C, then we're going to head over to VS Code and just paste it in here. Now people like to put their token in a separate file to everything else, so that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. Is so we're going to create a new file, just call it config.json, and that's JSON at the end. We're going to create open and close parentheses, then we're going to double quote marks, then we're going to put token colon, then we're going to put our bot token here. So let's once again we're going to head over to the browser, then we're going to go to our developer portal. Now here you'll see it says token. What I like to do is I like to copy it. Never really show anyone your token because they can access your account and do a load of weird stuff with it, so always hide your token. I don't mind showing it here because I'm going to regenerate it, so no one will be able to get into my account, and if they do, it's only my alt account anyway. So we're just going to copy the token, we're going to head over into VS Code, paste it here, we're going to put this in double quote marks too. And then that's all we want for the JSON file. Just remember to save it, Control S. We're going to head back into the index.json. Then up here we are going to do this. I'll explain after I've done it. Token to equal require config.json. Okay, so what this means is basically we're getting the token element from inside the config.json here, and then obviously to be able to get the token we require this file. So what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and then we're just going to simply insert token, and then that's us done. It seriously is us done right now. We're just going to save. Then if you're on Visual Studio Code like me, just head up to the top, click on terminal and click new terminal. But for anyone that isn't, you can use command prompt or anything like that. If you're using an online IDE, you can use anything either, but you have to have node.js installed. But anyway, let's get on with this. So what you're going to run is you're going to run npm install then discord.js. Now what this is going to do, it's going to install the library to obviously your bot, your file, and this is going to allow us to sign in. So now while that's downloaded, you can see we've now got a folder here called no modules. Don't touch any of that and don't touch your package.json. What we're going to want to do now is just head down here, just enter node index. Now what this is going to do is it's going to put the bot online. There you can see we have logged in as the bot. Then what we're going to do is we're going to head back to Discord. I've just got it open on browser for now. We're going to head. Now you'll see the bot will be online, but we don't have the bot up here, and because we need to add it to a server. The way we do that is you're going to open a new tab. You're going to search Discord calculator. That's going to bring up this link. You don't have to search it, it's in the description. Like I say, all links in the description. Then you're going to head over back here, go back to general information, then you're going to copy the application ID, and then we're just going to head back over to the site, paste it in down here. Then here is, we're not going to bother with this for now, but this is just so you can give, so when the final version of your bot is done, you're going to take a couple of these, and then yeah, I'll get into that into another video anyway, but you just want to click the link generated at the bottom. That's going to allow us to invite it to some servers. So right now I'm just going to invite it to my test server, and then I'm going to authorize it. I am not a human. There we go, the bot's being added. So if we head over, oh, not there. If we head over here, oh, I need to open OBS back up. If we head over here, you see our bot's online, the effortless bot. Then with the code we just copied, there is already a command coded into it, as you can see. But it's not really a command, it's just checking the message content for now. But that's fine, this will be our first video, first command even. So if we just want to head over to general, we can just put ping, and then the bot should reply with pong. That's really it for the first video. I'm not sure how long this video is going to be. I've got some editing to do, but hopefully this should be out very soon. There's no point me telling you this really, because you're not going to know until it is out. But thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, link in the description to the Discord. Make sure you do join it. How much members are we on now? 2,377. Make sure to join up. Link in the description, like I say. But that's it from me. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.